fill my soul with quiet joy, and I'm wide awake. In the middle of the night, I look up to the sky. I can hear you say it over me through the fire and the flood. I know that I'm loved. I can hear you say it over me. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, I hear your melody, I hear your symphony. There's nothing louder than the song of my Father. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we are going to learn Song of My Father by Urban Rescue. What an amazing song. I really love the song, especially the second chord in the chorus. In the middle of the night, I look up to the sky. It's a B minor, beautiful chord, and I'm going to teach it to you. It's amazing. And if you've been following along with our acoustic guitar for worship course, this is one of the songs that we teach. It's the part 2 of the course. So it doesn't use just your G, D, E minor and C. It uses the B minor as well, which is a nice chord to add to your chord library if you have been playing with the G, E minor, C and D chords. Okay, so before we get started, there's a link to the lesson post in the description. Now you can click on that link and download the PDF that we use, the strumming pattern, and see the chord progressions that we're going to do if you want to follow along like that. Otherwise, just stick on this video and I'm going to walk you through each step, step by step. So let's go with a close-up of the chords. But before we do that, let's do the strumming first. So the strumming pattern is really simple. It's just got accents on the 2 and 4. So what does that mean? That means we're going to count like this. When you count the song, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 2 and 4 is going to have accents on. So the strumming pattern sounds like this. I'm going to mute all the strings. I've got capo on the 6th fret, by the way, but we'll get into that when we do the chords. Capo on the 6th fret, just mute all the strings, and then we're going to do the strumming pattern. Okay, so it's down, 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 down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do that again slowly. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and in the middle of the night, I look up to the sky. I can hear you singing over me. Now, once you have that down, after the last down strum, you can add an up strum just before the 1. So it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up, down. Okay, so that's the strumming. Let's just do it with a G chord. So we're just going to use the G with the 2 fingers at the top. If you can't play a G chord yet, then you shouldn't be doing this tutorial. So you should know a G chord at least. Okay, so we're just going to do the G chord without the 1 at the bottom. We're just going to play the bass strings. Let's do the strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now with the up strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3. I love you always, forever. You and me always together. Bum 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 dum dum da dee dum bum 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 doom boom dum boom doom doom ba dee dum bum 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 ba dee dum bum 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 ba dee dum bum bum bum. Hey. Sorry, I got carried away there. Okay, but you get the idea. I love that song. That's also nice, and we should do a tutorial of that. Okay, let's go with a close-up for the chords. Okay, so for the chords, the first thing to know is you have to put the capo on the 6th fret. Okay, so capo on the 6th fret, And then the first chord is going to be a G that we're going to use, G. Okay, let me just click there. Okay, G chord. And then the next chord is going to be a D. Let me just give some space here, D. And then, so G, D, E minor, and C. Now this C, you take these two fingers, put it on the 3rd fret at the top, like that, and this one on the 2nd fret, 4th string. So G, D, E minor, C. It's a C major 7, but we're going to use it as a C. Okay, then the next chord that's coming in the chorus is the B minor. So with that, you take your E minor, just take these two fingers up 1 fret, one string, sorry about that. And then this finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And with the right hand, you can play all the way down to the 2nd string. Okay, that's it. That's it for the chords. Let's jump into the chord progressions. Okay, so now that you know the chords, let's go through the chord progressions. Now the chord progressions are really simple, okay? For the verse, we've got the chords G, D, E minor, C. Okay, simple chord progression, G, D, E minor, C, then E minor, D, C, D. So always a group of 4 chords. So the first 4 groups are G, D, E minor, C, and then E minor, D, C, D. So let's just play through that. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, then D, then E minor, then C. 1 bar each. Now E minor, D, and C, D. Alright, simple enough. The chorus is also really simple. It's just got 4 chords that loop. G, B minor, E minor, and C.
In the middle of the night, I look up to the sky. I can hear you singing home to me through the fire and the flood. I know that I'm loved. I can hear you singing home to me. Yeah.
Then with the part that he does, oh, whoa, 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 and in the bridge, it's got the same chords as the beginning of the verse. G, D, E minor, C. So the bridge and the oh part, G, D, E minor, C.
I hear your melody, I hear your symphony. There's nothing louder than the song of my father.
Very simple. That's it. That's the whole song. Remember to add those up strums, keep your hand moving, play along with the original. I know I played it a bit faster. I like to play the song faster than it really is. But just play along with the video. If you go to the lesson post in this course, in the lesson post there's going to be the original video is going to be there. This video is going to be there. So everything's at one place. It's really, what's the word? Convenient. It's a really convenient way to learn. The course is absolutely free. I think you have to register for it. But the course is really free. You can just click there, get the PDF, download the PDF, put it in your songbook, and enjoy the rest of the course. Have a nice day, guys. See you in the next videos.